Observer high GC News, Bima Obibia Aquaba. Hadia latest and hot news. Enqua Eramide Bremo. Enunti Sonya subscribe to channel idea, Bomodia say obe subscribe. The obe say obe click the subscribe button. Now wabeli a notification. We understand video for Frobia be upload when the first person I want sa ebeka a video. Afi we are now like video. Give us a thumbs up. Now fi share ma or for frosuna when you be here now who and someone ekoso ewo Ghana memo hanum. Afi yenti a yes report here about to ya yenti a yes answer me yenti.
Now let me ask you. Now check Ghana how many answer about 2.5 out of 3. Ah no mon trouble Felice. Me can elections. And Felice the best person to lead Ghana is Kenya compare with Japan.
Rather, I got to about November 4th. I can Ghana Yidin.
You say he is the only person. Now listen to civil societies, Ghana Medical Association, Confer Nurses, senior doctors, they been professionals, game part lecturers, and as Uncle Fono. Everybody was speaking one common language. Canada Japan, and they suppress the will of the people. I'm telling you today, me say, now one don't go meeting the Upa we are from a Pabisano. They look straight into the eyes of Kenya compare Japan and says, ah, you do bonnet. I am mistake. Now who calls her Fachaye? You muya and can be president. You mistake the party position. I'm telling you. Monsieur, dear be me what preview information. Let me come in through. Mechanical to say na 70. One person looking into the eyes of Canada Japan and said, Kenny. Ha, we've done a mistake. Can I tell you one thing?
Yes.
Now the NPP has done their research. Now what are you? By their research, they feel and think there's only one person who can win the seat in terms of presidency.
Who can give them power in 2028?
That's who. Let's say they look straight into the eyes of Kenya compare Japan and they told him, so you are the messiah or the savior to bring back NPP to power if you want to capture power.
And MPP for now.
I'm telling you,
can MPP messiah.
And it is not coming from the party alone. The Jubilee House to also establish it. Makacho said, "Come on, your campaign." What he said, Obika said, "No bamia no wood."
Baby.
Now let me ask you. Now check Ghana how many answer about 2.5 out of 3. Ah no mon trouble Felice. Me can elections. And Felice the best person to lead Ghana is Kenya compare with Japan.
Sir Ken Obekasa Obetietium. That's we $147,000 at the best service in Nila as a little machine. The so on fast watch will be a crow.
Oh, let's see. Now we is coming custom show. Debbie Abeto, can be too temperamental. Credit party media can your Canada. The bear pan won't say clean the number of Bianca. What you one Obiancan. Obianya say he wants to jump onto him, wants to feed on him. But say can be an wakasa. You're trouble we want to wakasa. Before some other trouble here campaign, what's what been an wakasa. But people don't look at this. They don't have issues with this. Maybe go attack Kenya compare with Japan say CIA. No status or canon some overboard and I can the auto secrecy and I can the or be or can say if you want to be gentle with me, I'll be gentle with you. But if you descend so low into the gutters and you want to deal with me in the gutters, I'll join in the gutters.
Now my almost security Kasam. I mean after approaches.
When I also lose
Poto in the Yamiasi. But how a comes after the Henry caught him and someone Rogi. I don't know. I'm not a Canadian. I say, Nippon call elections are Bran or Swabren.
Now, I did about what you sacrifice your life for Kansas City. Now, making sure someone can go with TV stations. So then people are just staying there. And I found a good party. I found a good party. This is an NPP oriented station. They had a Yankasa. How they say in your canoe. I'm telling you, go and tell your father. And so, a more good Kansas City on. Good one, I know my game. So, Papa Brown or Brain Noma or Come. They are going to give him the support.
But I only say, oh, no, Mama, you say, Dr. Baume, no, my point to letter, my copy, you Jubilee House, she in a Yabuka Pepe.
Baby, Madrid in life. Amekoi. Kenya compare Japan has played an instrumental role in my life. I can never take it out. Anyashi will be a radio mommy opportunity. We have millions and thousands of people in Ghana, journalists. He decided to say he ought for me.
Yeah.
Or confirm if I told you. I know they may buy. And I crack, or the me concrine, no the maba, or the me concrine, no the meba. And sana, we catch you say, me free Kansas City. I could be away. So, sir, I still owe allegiance. Aye. So, yes. A human Major Ken ho, ne hame. Nana touchy from on make us a ne hame.
Now, Koraka put on the Mikon.
Let them say a Juma. Say a quite
a Jack rock on
was a woman
knock out the milk.
Wono, minimum second Papa Precope. I record the station in Ukrama say, yeah. I record was Captain no man never could dare you more than Sanoman. But sometimes I will say Nipa, you have to move on.
me efficient man I've met people. But me share skinny or can of credit. Went down to at second.
Okay. Oh, but I want to tell you all elements one. Or he said you love him. Make I go off from a corner office when I see didn't come out. Jack, or nobody didn't come on our strainer Salomano. Mrs. Owen bad mood so the
American now. So American. The Abacasa Ken. Say Ken or Beccasa or Bettium. That's will be $147,000 at the best service in Nila as a little machine. The so on fast watch will be a crook.
Oh, let's see. Now we is coming custom show. There be a better. Can be too temperamental. Credit party media can your Canada. The bell pan won't say clean the number of Biancan. What is you? One number. Obiancan. Obian in a temple. Obian say he wants to jump onto him, wants to feed on him. I bet say Canada be an Wakasa. You're two baby what is Wakasa. Before some other trouble, you can be what's being an Wakasa baby. But people don't look at this. They don't have issues with this. Maybe go attack a Canada compare with Japan CIA. No status or canon some overboard. And I can't dear auto secrecy and I can't dear. Or would there be or can say, if you want to be gentle with me, I'll be gentle with you. But if you descend so low into the gutters and you want to deal with me in the gutters, I'll join in the gutters. Now, my was a Kennedy Casano. Now, when I'm on some Yamako, Madame Comas on your day. I was in Yasemno. On Oshabu, as some money and to honor will say, dear, I was sick one a day. I'm not in Yasemno. I don't know some Shabless easy. But me no Penista, but the idea was MP before Tia. Donald Trump. Also more convicted. Yes. More than 38 counts. How many 38 counts? But the Republicans who say only bit my power. Oh, they need a crazy person to do it because political parties are being formed just to cleanse your political power. Yeah. And Tinipa Sumesi only bit my power more you go for that person. Establish this fact for me. Canada compare for 2026, 27, 28. Obeba. I repeat again. Ken Beba so about a pre-flag bearership. Maybe so. Mr. Ken Beba for the last time. Ken Beba. MP to Munyaken. So listen to this. Then I'm when the American knows American and say no. One with different camp, and I'm saying the meme camp you with Tibus. See, that was a better camp. What's that? Oh, the camp. I saw the camp with Tibus in here. That you say. Hey, there be some woman who they direct to Ken. Maybe they are not. I'm in Chama, Christmas. Ah, so how did Mamma Casa? Yes, who's Nigeria? What's my Chrissy? Sir, H. Where Honorable Ken, so corn chain. Now, Copa, the other Mawa, Madame Christiase. So I'm far Mawa, Kodama Christiase. And now Castle Cobra, not about the more Kodama Christiase. She can need do a while and cap. When him so back Nikunu and by Pisca. When you walk, a man Christo BC, I welcome Wopa. What's that honorable? Honorable be an honorable in terms of man, but I'm my friends from by Massa. I'm going to make food. And I was Omega. What's Omega? Christian Japan. What can't be and a nipper be a chapman, Papa. I said, oh, my penny for we saw, Mamma said, two now control Papa. Uji, when you see a back question, Miss also. I want to tell you something. Me too. The body be. So the boss I didn't said the nipper is from Papa. No. It means I have a lot of information. One a from Papa Kenny. Kenny, why? I beside upon you. Thank you. Beyond upon you, there's one person also called your father Kenny. Maybe the President of the Republic of Ghana. Yeah. Mama Kasam show. I'm going to give you some information. Oh, let's see. Let's say, who are more about you? From Catch of Franco. Who cannot correct? No correct. Who can give you this kind of information? And he say. Can I tell you one thing? Yes. Now the NPP has done their research. Now what are you? By their research, they feel and think there's only one person who can win the seat in terms of presidency. Who can give them power in 2028? And that's who? And no, it comes with a conditionality clause.
Before you mention the name.
Me chosen so me dambi.
Some of them. Me kwa me nana bo krampo. Yeah, me.
Last easy. Me say. They look straight into the eyes of Kenya compared to Japan. And they told him, so you are the Messiah or the Savior to bring back MPP to power. If you want to capture power. And MP before now. I'm telling you. Can MP and it is not coming from the party alone. The Jubilee House to also establish it. Shabu just want to catch you. Meba. Makacho say, time of my campaign, what they say, Obika say, no Bamiano wood. Baby. Now let me ask you. Now check Ghana how many answer about 2.5 out of 3. I no more trouble Phyllis say, me can't elections. And Phyllis said that the best person to lead Ghana is Kenya compared to Japan. But I got to about November 4th. I can get Ghana Yidi. Me say, he is the only person. Now listen to civil societies, Ghana Medical Association, Conference senior doctors, they be professionals, Gempa lecturers, and as uncle for everybody was speaking one common language. Canada, Japan, and they suppress the will of the people. I'm telling you today, me say, now one don't go meeting the Upa we are from a Pabisano. They look straight into the eyes of Kenya compared to Japan and says, you do bonnet, I mistake. Now who calls them? Fachaye. You can be the president. You mistake the party position. I'm telling you. Me say there be a me what preview information. Me come in through. Me cannot credit to say na 70. One person looking into the eyes of Canada Japan and said, Kenny. We've done a mistake. Kusiano say ya boy. That's our contact. Asama me kainti. If Canada Japan becomes a flag bearer, we are going to clear me kakang sama kachere no. O papa no, but I'm just giving that condition cross o papa. So papa. Diabetes. Me say me transfer me kasa o nya be papa o. And that's why me can I want to. Me matemasa. Me say me transfer me here adwuma. I address every politician to be a politician. I don't address you so you papa. Kofi na. Yeah, Kofi dey you bet be enkomo. Dey be me tibia me papa no. Nya wo wasema. Uti. Me say bias e back end asema. Aye. There's one person, okay, who can help Kenya compare Japan to become a president. That's who? Yawaduchu. Minister Duchu. I'm telling you, he is the only person for now. I repeat and re-echo it again. There were so far. Yes, so far. Kennedy are compared to Japan. Outside the jurisdiction and the domain of the NPP or a lot of crowds. Yeah. They seem to be a charismatic leader. Even within the inner circles of the NDC, it be penasem. Ghana forward, being Kenya compared to Japan, canokre. That is a perception mentality. Open Nipa Bako is so humble. He knows how to communicate. Nipa Bako what the education system nasi. Nipa Bako is socialization and bonding with people. Among folks who in Cheska, Sasa Metia me and Yamasem. But among forward dreams they know how to communicate. I join here. Thank you. Oba Santo Jina, he's trying to canvass a lot of votes. Among for respecting the penasam on Kasabasa and Kasarofof. No Kasas as small can you do among for dinner for us. Because men know it in the idea. Yeah, this is the two abana. The can economy. Yes, the trust mean a job. Yes, the back is education. And education, the last minute projects the do yes, and the man people. And to say, oh papa, I'm giving you free advice. Free advice. Stand there MPP forecast. If the flag bearer hails from the southern part, automatically ADSS running mate to go to the northern and so it is immaterial, it is irrelevant. I want to ask you one thing. Yeah. J.J. Wallace, when he was the president of the Republic of Ghana, he went to the central region to pick someone. Yeah. Voter for this in Voran Ottoman. So I'm to you. Yeah. John Dramani Mama, before I said John Mama Eban. Yeah. John Evans Atanos. Eddie can copy papa your friend say Martinami Dumulen Kofobi from the northern part. Mulusu. So where does it come? But sometimes the message and the personality, the persona. You look at all these factors. The entire no more bona podium almost way too arrogant. Omo kanyama kruwa kraka bi say esi wo nwade ahomaso wo mebwa. Yeah. So Kruwa Thomas Kamanati. Yeah. And Kruwa wanted to erase the picture from the minds of Ghanaians. And that or Kasabiano, anyone the inner circles of Mansia on 4 corners on no Kobujabi. Okay, no, so another bomb, Kwame Nkrumah. If Kedia Compton the point is really serious to be the flag bearer and the presidential candidate of the NPP, if he wins, and he's trying to consider people to be his running mate, I'm giving him free advice. He should go and pick Osei Aduchum. If Aduchum doesn't contest,
Aduchum, yes, say African, you know, education minister.
No one idea or their but if we are listening to Nigeria, Africa. Go and listen to Nigeria for no. I must say, Omunya no come and be education minister. Why is they say? You talk baby MPP Lucy. Everybody is talking about one person. Saba pan they say maintaining no. Saba pan
yes. Aduchum dear. Mama and keep no. Just so Papa Ninsano you may so
make catch
Obi Jessica so minister was Aduchum Jessica my minister no coin wa near a Yamama can say more be quite position catch say we know we can say Tamawit Marco over billions of dollars about Mamuda campaign. Your man position is car when you cry for one city grammar. One Ghana city when you cry farmer. Let's see, some of my chair after Robbie approaches. Or when I also lose you, lose put toy that you say. Let's say, but only my dear, you have a quarter so. But how a cruising after Robbie Henry caught him and someone do a G. I don't know. I'm not a Canadian. They say, Nippon call elections are brand or so brand. I'm not a bread. After all, who say, oh, call election. No be the chair to Boba Park so yapa. But we can call elections. More could and a mood teaching a mood bonne care in some to crew. After a bay, who catch say, oh, packet dollars. I would call 12 delegates. What 12 delegates no are free African of one that is it for you for. That is it. How a cruising say, oh, say, the Japan bought the chest one, bought damn chair, and a lot of TV. Oh, but they say check how come you say nobody work a claim. I to work a claim. Henry quoted what did the honorable king fee, Sebi. As I said, we say, Mamma Cassam second per position man. And go for say, when they came in, can you make us a credit? Or slow, or sorry, I'll never quite or cleaner. On or that or man FM against the media. Sa computer say best started boiling point. National agenda when you be a we a better means of communication or not against the media to quantum my pie. Now almighty because another oh, and now we see tobacco. Call police headquarters near coalition near the Bako situation. Near they say someone will say I'm a punch Putin a bit determined Putin and on the call elections. You are not part of the elections. Now, what change can they buck up? Me say, you could share delegate constituency beer. You move be 100 cities. You are the coordinators. You are constituency executive. Answer yourself to your Kreska. Man, you papa you. And Nuti. And then I would have to remember. And she master on your retrospective analysis. Now, on transit, only the broader consultation from where I sit as a political pundit. Not as a son, as a political pundit. I feel and think that the best person to help him, if he's able to win a flag bearership, is Yawaduchum. You are talking me, okay? Kennedy are compare with Japan. Me 24. And I said, Blue was a position. He should issue a communique to Kansas City media. Why won't mean your campaign be a judgment on a cop? Or issue communicate to them, telling them. So, by me, I didn't do. And let me give a standing ovation. Remember, a standing ovation. Kwame Tanko of Losing TV. First of all, Angel TV. Man, can't some show. Open it through the internal prime minister. On your Kansas City media. Shabuti, on your Kansas City media. Open it panka, Kwame Tanko, burn the pa, a Alan Koduchi Mante. Yeah. Kwame Tanko, never, what to the bed, you worry. Alan Koduchi Mante, yes, and papa or call. Yeah. Just not make a children, but you know what a man. Now, Makura no Kwame Tanko. Oh, thank you. Now, the thing I say, when Alan pulled it out, and they were going for the internal elections, open Nipa Bakwa who sacrificed his life
show commitment, dedication, hard work. One fake ni daw. Anka so pebi daw. Ade bia oye bia winning if na kumum you were body the actual referee Kedia compare ko Japan. It was Kwame Tanko. He was working for another radio station, not Ken City Media. Yeah. Angel group of companies. Yeah. ABN, Angel 96.1 Kumasi, and one and Kwame Tanko ye adwuma. Or in the support in the loyalty in the Bibiano. I'm a Kedia compare ko Japan. People in the Ken City Media, maybe can pick media same.
I thought Goka said always should communicate. Said papa na for Wojuma. Or contest. Yes. Just you should communicate. So, Nancy America say, yes, I will be paying. You won't because I said, will be painting a boy. Thank you. You know, I've worked in Kansas City Media for 8 years. Yeah. Now, you have worked in Kansas City Media for 8 years. I know for a fact. Say, do maybe I can't play this kind of position. And you won't move your own young pencil. Just not make a wrong. And you won't move your own young and pencil. No support. Almost support. They didn't even campaign for you. What them the free fee? Open media platform that can hold you, also patch. And now to conquer Butcher, Kansas City Media to the Malcolm Butcher. Now, count to a class and can walk brass and could be more fast or local baby. And then fly FM because you are working on Oman FM, Ash FM, on net 2. Not to fear. I didn't have radio, no. It is because of Kansas City. Canada, Japan, the media outlet will be, you know, and I pay out. Are you not surprised? Don't you feel sad? Say Kedia compare ko Japan obi afoti me he has fed me for 8 years. O mi Jamaica sa busu bia no tua meka. Busu bia no tua meka for 8 years. Say ni power kwa compete position. Why should I ignore or forgo him and go and look for another person? But there Yana say omo no motifi on ebinom instead of them to give him his support and make us papa anya hwimpo waboaye and he has been feeding us. Or kwa compete position. Why don't we die for him? Maybe if you can't do one person moka. He can't send the nation meetings. Yes, meetings upon meetings. And immediately, Kokacha papa, me say a blue horse or quack of flag barashapuna. Send your media outlets be. And make us anyway, you know him for Baumia, thank you. He doesn't own it. You know why? Baumia, when I won't to the baby assassin. Obey the German who just not make a choice. Media. I saw the home game. Want to be put there. Some supporter. Want to be put there. On what me the president. Want to be there. You are the president. No, putting to me a card and say for you. Kedia compare Kodapo is going for the ultimate to be the president. The second president. Or man penny station. Only more. They are making the eye. Now, I did about what I say. You sacrifice your life for Kansas City. Now we make sure some kind of with TV stations. So then people are just staying there. And I found a good party, no. And I found a good party, no. This is an NPP or rental station. How they yankasao, how they say near Kano. David me. I'm telling you, go and tell your father. Go and tell your father. The blow papa from me, yes, was a Franco. When no crowd can do the quietly. Remain as a neutral or an objective political pundit. Speak the truth. And so omo good Kansas City ono do na nyoma den say papa ne bra wo bring no ma okom no they are going to give him the support but I don't say omo no ma wage say ka Dr. Bawumia e ba wini no ma point letter ma kwa ya jubilee house she yin ya aburo pepepe be ba make wonti wa aburo pepepe enye ni pa bone samati ti enye ni pa bone samwa obi na abi adwuma wo yi ti the person is going with a contest with a different person na ni pa wa bi adwuma wo yi bi no what quack should be a cheat dinny bonnet? Yes. What quack should be a cheat? Hey, this any part of bonnet. Isn't it a good exercise? Obisha Misha will say on Kasame. I know what good there because I'm not promoting Dr. Bawumia. Oh, now but the Uti. Uti, Mamma Castle. Ebia more or your baby show. Obia credit, say. I don't fight women. Oh, quite come run it. You quite Uti. Hey, what kind of sem? Hey, you know me if you see what kind. Sabu. And I'm a real who are they? And I'm a real papa. A nobody. When it was a strong contest between Kenya Compre Japan and Urani Dini Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, I was having a certain kind of godfather. Yeah. Before say this kind of campaign, Beban, which will be family me, people, Jamie, Hakoyemi say, or no catch him on Bawumia.
It is a meaning to me, my I don't even be a problem. I stood on my grounds and said, no. My intention, and no man may be is telling me, no. I should support Kenya company. I want to hear Juma. When no quaffo. So time, I want to hear Juma. So, Sana is a me. Anna, Nipano. The person became too close to Dr. Mahmoud Bamia. Not just close, too close to Dr. Mahmoud Bamia. The bar they be a woman in person. And no, to do a million in Casa. One of my yaka. Ubakaya. A dark Kenya compare quite a pomba true of phrase here, I call him. Sani Pano for the car. Yeah. Oh, for the car, Panacan food. Yeah. Yes, because he was. Remember, he was having a personal discourse with me. Yeah, a personal problem. Yeah, almost no problem. They say, "What the hell? No problem because we know who's to me." No, say, "Mr. Church, Master King Kino, they have issues." They are with channel near day. A channel you can also face. Say, I'm going to say. I got I can't our Asha family. Aquabi. I say, first say, I say, unti say shy waba. And there's a worker. Also, go wait me tea. The Godfather be fair. No say. And one as more fish for headquarters on Nidia or more team you projected. Which no be a team. Ah, now then, solid for a man program. But oh, I don't come that moment. Take a can go for the home make a canvas and say, but you never eat tea. No, so much tea. No matter the cost of these guys, they are making sense. This guy, Sana sometimes jumps on Mokano. And cannot crack. You have to say, Saibu, Sani Pa make classic. And now, now, so camera the scene is what. And some are better no. I forgot me on to Yamio Hataso. We never hope. Some ho, and some Bobo Saibu Franco, I never acquire me. Maybe I make cancer, me papa. One top transmitter though. One top antenna though. Yes. Can they Japan a top antenna? Me nya the opportunity say me call general school. Me only general school doesn't give doesn't give a guarantee to work at any radio station. No, can. Thank you. Where more for how many years? Remember 2009. You lose 2008 and about. Nasa nipa we. And that's will be a team niche. I will see over Chimbi on can platform. Thank you. So, me would be a politician, the person may do come on can. Thank you. That's honorable can. A contest. Now, me say, me support. Nipa me ko support so ni nyansa obotu magim. Yes. Se me se me support honorable can. Na nipa me ko support against honorable can. Sa nipa ko ni nyansa obo ga shaibu magim. Shaibu me say, my love for Kwame Tanko has risen to 2000%. Shabuti, we have a lot of avenues to get resources and money. You see, Kroma, open Ghana, 10 best journalists, money sure. Come to count. What see the Kukusa interview Jay for another Baumia. So support me school. I'm going for me on Saturday. No more can the human. Yeah, for a call or down. But Kwame Tanko said, more for Musika. I want to project a good candidate, but not against the media workers at all. So, they cannot even mention the Japanese name. What I say, but they feel comfortable. They say, you're not quite actually 1,000 cities. They say, about the proof. And another one is not a selfish interest. We don't have selfish interest. They think about a selfish interest at the expense of the company. We say, the cancer on coalitions are. Many can never promote. And you're bad, you're made paroi, but I can't do in public. But second, so be co-contest. Now, be. Set me ko promote obi against the Japan. What you doing? Now, now we start to say, what you doing? Maybe 1,000 cities, 2,000, 10,000 the amount. The amount because you are on a man FM, you are on R7, you are on the 2. Say you see from the Pacoba first time says can be about. Mrs. And then I be a chair casa amount for franchise. Yes. My own cotton if you are in and I can't because the transmitter and the never did not find area. You see where people work. Yes. And the people doesn't appreciate and acknowledge this particular man. A section of Kent City media workers. He says, somebody you already there, Papa. I can say, we are going as an army. We are moving as a front, as a unit. We are behind you. No matter you be a car found, you're not an echo. You said, probably much. Some campaign, my friend, ever make a campaign. But this year, I go fall through a class about a week. There be no yes, I owe you 2 personal.
Me 2 personal.
There be no
more.
Oh yes, I 2 personal.
Na there you say me man promote Baumia to whom me can see me the woman my channel. Who are you, Massa? Who make my Canada compare Japan should order the general manager FM station. Me say can promote candidate can should order the general manager and tell the general manager say so what is him so your campaign. Why won't me cast and papa fan who be a radio on a TV on and your country even media no me I don't like the general manager. I don't like them. But what said be a Yansa Boson Koya woo. Now we limp so papa you now could do papa tem. Now we limp so be papa be a Juma. I'm not saying any panic pride. That's what also my take the general manager to say me the vote on our career. I don't work there. I said be a suban bonnet and I said be or your time. Now we call on a Juma. I don't know or the envy can the Japan so want to. So if you don't envy him, it's your all transit. We have more meetings. Now, me say this time no. Now me boy, me say whether they like or not, Ken is coming.
Yo, waiting for winning and summer abeto. Yep, no so make I say so. We don't subscribe to channel idea, but more than say over subscribe. Now, feel well like video, give us a thumbs up, and share my offer for so. Now, when you be here, sunset hadia latest and hot news and kwa era me bravo. Also, bet me archer wondering a fire and some way you know our comment box in Mubati Minkabium in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.